Welcome back, Coaster Spotters, to Six Flags Great Adventure and Jersey Devil Coaster Construction Update number 24, filmed on May 18th. And wow, it looks like we are in the home stretch with this thing finally. Hopefully we'll be riding within the month. And you can see that entrance plaza is no longer a mud pit and has all its concrete installed. Lots of the landscaping, sod. Interesting to see that there's only going to be 2 entrances. I thought for sure that you'd have a third one over by that Tornado kids ride, but nope, only the 2, which is fine. And we heard a lot of details on one of their official update, how it's going to be kind of the Pine Barren area, which makes sense with the whole lore of the Jersey Devil. Fantastic. You can see the entrance sign has been placed. We will have a construction update from inside the park, filmed on Friday and then posted on Saturday morning. And hopefully we will see some testing as well. That would be absolutely fantastic. As you can see, a train was out on the transfer track, but unfortunately, as long as I was sticking around the last 2 days, no testing was taking place, at least during normal day hours. So who knows if they're testing at night? They could be. I don't know. But it's looking fantastic. You can see that roof on that second cube building was being worked on. And also the roof of the train storage building was also being finished up. But you can see just lots of landscaping going in. Still need Q rails on the concrete, and I assume the majority of the cube building, possibly 2. But we'll see that in a few days. But everything is looking fantastic. They were testing the AV equipment on this day, so we could hear a lot of that, and that was fun. But yeah, there we go. It's wrapping up. Can't wait to see this thing complete, ride it. It's been a long time since it was first announced back in August of 2019, and we're all just looking forward to riding it. So, as I said, no testing. The only thing I was able to catch was them moving the transfer table. I had missed the movement of the train back into its storage slot, unfortunately. But as you'll see coming up, we did capture the transfer track moving, which is, I guess, exciting. But that's going to be it. As I said, you should subscribe for up-to-date notifications. Hit that bell for instant notifications. And, check out the social media on Twitter and Instagram. Post there all the time. And thanks for watching. Consider subscribing and like. This has been Alex for the Coaster Spot. Bye.